Rezvani Motors is an American automotive company known for producing high-performance, military-inspired vehicles with futuristic designs. Founded by Rezvani, the company is based in California and focuses on building extreme, hand-built vehicles that push the boundaries of design, power, and protection. Rezvani Motors gained significant attention for its flagship models like the Beast and the Tank. The Rezvani Beast is a lightweight, track-focused sports car based on the Ariel Atom chassis, offering powerful acceleration and an aggressive appearance. It's designed for enthusiasts who seek raw performance and minimal compromise. In contrast, the Rezvani Tank series, especially the 2025 model, is a civilian luxury SUV built to resemble a military vehicle but loaded with advanced features and luxury interiors. The 2025 Tank boasts a bold, armored look with bulletproof options, night vision, electromagnetic pulse protection (EMP), and reinforced suspension. Under the hood, it can be equipped with a supercharged V8 engine producing over 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful SUVs in the world. The interior is highly customizable with luxury materials, digital displays, and comfort features tailored to the buyer's preferences. What sets Rezvani apart is its focus on individuality, combining extreme performance with tactical aesthetics and modern technology. Each vehicle is custom-built, allowing clients to choose from a wide range of performance and security upgrades. Rezvani vehicles are rare and expensive, appealing to celebrities, collectors, and those seeking exclusivity and security. While the brand doesn't compete in mass markets, its vehicles symbolize power, innovation, and personal expression. By 2025, Rezvani continues to lead in the niche of armored luxury vehicles, blending performance engineering with unique, head-turning designs that reflect a bold, unconventional lifestyle.